Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly on the motion of thanks for the Governor's address to the legislature, an honorable member said, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have great pleasure in seconding this motion. The mover of the motion has dealt with all matters in detail. There is very little for me to say now. Further, members from the opposition benches have not yet spoken. So, I have not had the benefit of their constructive criticisms. So, I do not think I can very much contribute to the debate. But, by way of supporting what my honorable friend has said, I will try to think aloud and say a few words on this occasion. In the first place, during the period between the last address of the governor and the present one, we have had two big natural calamities. One is the famine and the other is the cyclone. As we know, the cyclone has affected a large number of people. It will not be out of place to pay tributes to the collectors, the staff, and others who cooperated in giving relief to the affected people. The relief measures have been adequate. But on this occasion, I would suggest that these measures might have been more reasonably spread among the various areas. Now, I would like to refer to famine. In this connection, I would like to point out that almost all the districts in the state have been facing famine conditions. During the last 5 years, we have been facing scarcity of drinking water. I do not know the position in other states in regard to this matter, but so far as our state is concerned, in the circumstances, I would like to suggest that supply of drinking water to the rural population must be given the same priority as agriculture. We cannot call ourselves a welfare state unless we are able to give protected water to the poor people in the villages. Then there was much criticism about the rural welfare scheme all these years. I think that this scheme has come to stay in this state. The people must see that they stand on their own legs and work for what they want with minimum help from the government. This scheme has created a spirit among the people that they can have what they want with their own effort with same help from the government. Then I come to electricity. The failure of the monsoon has affected irrigation sources and also the scope of lifting water for irrigation through electricity. I would like to point out that half of our electrical energy is produced by the hydroelectric system. So, when water goes down near reservoirs which give electricity, economic improvement is affected. On account of the cut in electricity, industrial production has to go slow and very many extension schemes for irrigation have to be stopped. All this means reduction in the production of food grains. So, I suggest that all cities have blockout as was done during wartime and the energy saved thereby may be spared for industry and irrigation. Then I come to the handloom question. The mover of the motion has said very many good things about how this question can be solved. I think that this is not an unending problem. The competition between the mills and the handlooms may seem to be an unending problem. I think this is not a problem which cannot be solved. our state government have moved in the right direction, and I request the central government to appreciate our difficulties and grant the request of our government.